Hi friends, welcome back to our channel, Amaze Tutors. So today we are going to learn about an interesting topic, how to add a fraction, two fractions with different denominator using a quick trick, an easy method to do that. Let's get into the topic. Cross multiplication method is what we are going to do for adding and subtracting with two different denominators. If it is same denominator, we know how to add them. Simply add the top numbers and keep the same bottom denominator. But here, the two different denominators, cross multiplication method will be easier and quicker. So what we have to do, we have to cross multiply this manner. 12 and 1. Please do the left side first and then go for right, even for subtraction. So 1 12s are 12 plus 4 times 11 next. 4 11s are 44. Now, don't forget to multiply the bottom numbers also. As you can see the arrow, 4 times 12, which is 48. Now, add the top numbers. 12 plus 44 is 56 divided by 48. Now, we are not going to leave this as the final answer because there is something common. As you know, always the final answer should be in the simplest form. Now, what is the common factor between 56 and 48? But still, think of the greatest common factor or highest common factor to cancel them out to make it simpler. So, I think both are divisible by 8, isn't it? Absolutely. Now, 7 over 6 when you divide both of them by 8 because 8 is the highest common factor. Other common factors are even 2 and 4, but we should consider the highest common factor to make it simpler in a single step. If you are not getting the greatest common factor at a stretch, no worries. Start from 2, keep dividing by 2, you will end up with the final answer. But make sure that the final answer is in the lowest terms or it is already simplified form. Because if you are not giving the final answer in the simplest form, you are not going to get the full mark. So be very careful. Now we are going to do one subtraction. As you can see, 5 over 6 minus 3 over 5. Let's do the same cross multiplication method. Left side first because order important in case of subtraction actually, and right side next. 5 fours are 20 minus 3 6 are 18 because this direction next. Multiply the bottom numbers, denominators without missing. 4 6 are 24. Now what is the 20 minus 18? 2 over 24. Anything possible? Is it possible to simplify? Any common factor? Yes, of course. Both are divisible by 2. That itself is the greatest common factor. You can divide by 2. Now 2 divided by 2 is 1. 24 divided by 2 is 12. This is the final answer. So, I hope you understand how to use cross multiplication method to add or subtract two fractions with different denominators. There is another method finding LCM, but this method is much easier. I hope you understood and the video was helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in our next video. Bye bye.